Hey there, welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial where I'll walk you through creating a stunning number photo collage using Canva. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn any number into a visual focal point, filled with your favorite photos, something that looks impressive but is truly beginner-friendly. Whether you're making a birthday card, decorating your social media, or just learning a cool new skill, this technique is such a fun way to get creative with numbers and pictures. Let's dive right in. First things first, head on over to Canva.com. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, it's super quick and free to sign up. Once you're in, look for the big, friendly Create button. Give that a click. This is where all design adventures begin on Canva. Next, we're going to set up the exact size for our collage. Select Custom Size. You'll see options for width and height. Type in 100 by 100. We're keeping it small and simple today, which actually helps Canva run faster and keeps your collage manageable, especially if you plan to use it as a social media icon or profile photo. Once you're happy with the size, hit Create New Design. You'll see a nice, clean blank canvas pop up, which is just waiting for your personal touch. Now for the fun part, let's put a number into your canvas. On the left sidebar, there's an Elements tab. Go ahead and click on that. In the search bar at the top, type in frame number. These frame numbers are magic. They look like regular numbers, but you can actually drop images right into them to create a collage effect. Find the number you want, maybe for a birthday or someone's special age, and drag it onto your blank canvas. Adjust its size as needed. It should fit comfortably with some space around it. Next, let's fill that number with photos to make it come alive. For this example, let's keep things playful and pick an animal photo. In the same Elements panel, you can search for an animal, maybe a dog, cat, bird, or even something more exotic. Choose an image you love and simply drag it over the number frame. Canva will automatically snap the photo inside the number's shape. Sometimes, you might need to reposition the photo a little to get the best part of the image showing through. Take your time here and don't worry if it looks a little off at first. You can always adjust until you're happy. Let's do that one more time to reinforce the process, maybe using a different number or a different animal image. Just repeat the steps, add a new frame number, search for another animal, and drop it in. This repetition helps the process stick and it opens up creative possibilities. Imagine making a 2024 collage with each digit showing a different pet, favorite animal, or even landscape. Now to add a finishing touch, we want our numbers to really pop. Look for the stroke option. You might need to select the number first for this setting to appear. Set the stroke weight to 1. This gives your number a crisp outline, which helps it stand out from any busy backgrounds or color clashes. It's a subtle detail, but it makes a world of difference, just like adding a frame to a piece of art. And that's it, you've just made your very own number photo collage in Canva. Pretty cool, right? If yours doesn't look perfect yet, don't stress, designing takes practice, and Canva makes it easy to tweak as you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any questions or share what kind of number collage you're making. And if you want more easy, creative Canva tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.